In this case, if I have used LFP battery, if in this case I will replace LFP batteries with NMC batteries, will those NMC batteries will be more safer in this particular space, or LFP batteries are more safer? LFP batteries will be safe enough in this particular confinement as compared to NMC, because NMC has high energy density and chances of thermal runaway in case of NMC batteries will be more, right? Cathode material type, as we have seen that cathode is the one which is more cost consuming in case of battery cell, right? So the material that you used on the cathode side is almost 51% of the cost of the complete cell, right? So it can be nickel, it can be manganese, it can be cobalt, it can be lithium. Depending on what sort of material you are using on the cathode side, your cost is increasing or decreasing. So